Okay, I just want to make a quick video on how to change the power switch off of this Dyson DC39. As you can see, I actually removed the switch here that was defective from the connectors here, but in order to get to this point, we actually need to remove these two other screws from this assembly on the top here by pushing this button over here and then removing these clips so that this lever actually opens up, and then take out these two additional screws here, which I have removed. And this was actually what took me the longest time to figure this out, because there was no instructions on this. And once you have that, this whole assembly just comes out of it, and you could replace the switch here, which I have the new switch to just plug in here and then put everything back, and we're set.